In this video, let's change or remove apps special access mode. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to apps option. Click on this three dots icon and click on special access option. You can see special access all modes in here. Now I click on this all files access option. You can see in this application access all files on my mobile. If I want to remove this permission, I can disable this. In this method you can change or remove your app's special access mode.